There was a headline: U.S. officials denied there's a plan to cut China duties further. U.S. to verify China deal adherence before lifting tariffs. It was headlines written, and the algos were on spring break and gone wild. So,
which is fine with me. I was long at 89. I took a little profit at 94. I got stopped out for a scratch, and the market came back down through the bottom of the opening range to 82.5, and then popped back up, and I got long at 85.25, all while we were talking.
Yeah.
All small. By the way, all small size.
But you see the way the algos drove this market with their correlations.
Right.
They all went in sync. Right. Boom, 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 boom. That's the most interesting thing to me, is that they all just said, "Hey," and they just followed right in line.
The way that I was taught to trade the opening range by Judd and well, all of you guys really by extension, and then how to manage my positions around the same way that you did around Howella stuff, the gnome of Valparaiso, as Judd calls him. It was and then that I had to relearn again on the screens. Is just a matter of having a plan and then reacting around that plan. And I've got the plan, I've got the levels, I know what I'm going to do, and I know where I'm going to execute. And because I've already taken a couple of trades during the day and it's midday, I cut my size, but I still put them back on.
Yep.
And I removed my risk, and now I can stay. I paid for my trade. I removed my risk. My stops for break even again. And I can now, if the algos want to take them back, then go ahead. We'll see what happens. But the algos, and that's what I mean, Ira, is that I've had to learn how to make the algos my friends. I've had to learn how to make the algos work for me. We're not market makers anymore. We're market takers, and it took me a long time to figure that out.